Hi, my name is Ed Ebreo and I'm here to talk about the art and science of recognition, one of the programs that we offer here at ExeQserve Corporation. Sabi ni Peter Drucker, culture eats strategy for breakfast. Do you agree? Kahit gaano kaganda ang strategy ng iyong kumpanya, when people are not engaged, if they're not aligned, they will see very little value in pursuing it. Now, building a culture of recognition change the way people behave and their attitude towards the organization's strategy. Here are some of the benefits of building a culture of recognition. Number one is employee engagement. When people are able to realize how much their work contributes to the organization via recognition, engagement increases. It also improves staff retention. If you're happy, you tend to stay. Of course, employee morale also improves, and with that, productivity and teamwork. Imagine what productivity and teamwork can do for your customer satisfaction and your organization's bottom line. If recognition is so powerful, why are organizations not doing it enough? Two major reasons: lack of appreciation of its power. Even if there's so many theories and concepts and research on the power of recognition, organizations still fail to appreciate it. And then second, they don't know how to do it properly in a way that makes an impact. That's the reason why I developed this program. What is recognition? Recognition is the acknowledgement of an individual or team's behavior, effort, and accomplishment that support the organization's goals and values. What gets recognized gets repeated. What gets rewarded gets repeated. In this training, the people you will send to this training will learn the following. First, explain the importance of recognition in strengthening employee engagement and improving performance. Also, develop the necessary skills for effective recognition. In this program, they will learn tactics on how to deliver recognition, how to express it. Of course, rewards and awards also help make a bigger impact on your recognition. In this training, you will learn how leadership actions can drive a culture of recognition, how to model the way when it comes to recognizing people's performance and contribution. And lastly, apply some creative ways of encouraging recognition in the workplace because it's not just managers and supervisors who should do it, it should be everyone in the organization. That's how you create a culture of recognition. So I invite you to attend this training, to inquire with us, call our number and send us an email. Tell us that you want this training, and we will be more than happy to deliver and facilitate this training for you. Have a great day.